you got a nice position there. Tight one, eh? Oh, I love your braids. Oh my god, I love it! I love it! It's cool! Huh? You're gonna do them all? Yeah, I need to get mine done. Is she doing it? Yeah? But she didn't do yours? Oh, somebody else. Oh, okay. She doesn't. She had enough of you? She had enough of you? No, never enough of you. That's a good answer. Facing the windless.
Always a bit of a spot, another one there. So now the cables that's down below have to go through here, right? There was always a spot that cut the way too big. See up here? Lots of concrete at the bow there. Right, okay. Now there's some caulking here. Alright. Where's the caulking I brought up? White tube caulking. In there. Tube caulking. Okay. Cables down below again. We're on the same page?
He got it.
Well, that's the case. If that's the case, budget range still open. Lean over to the new end. I just want to check with Trini to see about temper. We might have one over there. Alright, so do you know if we have a temper over the budget? Yeah, let's go that way. Alright. Good. How does it work for the budget? No, it works for the you're in the budget all the time.
Yeah, he's spending our money. He's good at that, right?
Well, I have to do the work.
You do the work, yeah. Oh, you get paid too, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Just right?